Hello and welcome to my next review on the channel. Let's see what jersey do I have for you today. And first of all, let's see these little papers where it is written that if you use codes NS6 and NS11 you will save on your next order, and also if you create a video review like this one you will also save on your orders. And because I ordered this jersey during the World Cup, I received this cool little bottle opener. So this is how it looks like. It's really cool. I don't know if you still get them, but during the World Cup everyone received them. Now for today we have the Barcelona golden, or I don't know how it is called, edition player version and long sleeve jersey. So this is how the jersey looks like, but let's start with the bottom of the jersey because it contains this little badge on the bottom. It's shiny, it's really high quality as you can see, and also the material of the jersey is this material which is really elastic. It's almost transparent in some places, you can see through it. And also the design, so with different patterns, with different stripes, lines, everything. It's a really special design. I really like it. I don't know if it's designed by the streets of Barcelona, I'm not sure. And then there's the Spotify logo, which is heat pressed, really high quality. It's a bit shiny, it's a bit shining in the light if you can see. And there also is this Nike logo, and then also the Barcelona logo, which is really high quality as you can see. And the design again everywhere is just so cool. The color of the jersey also really elastic, and this one is size S. Now let's go to the back of the jersey, and here it is, number 11 with customized name, original font. So it's really cool because on this website you can customize any name up to, I don't know, 14 characters and any number you wish with the exact original font like on the original jerseys, these little logos and everything. So it's really cool. I'll show you. So this is the material of the number. It's a really high quality printing with these little dots on the number, and also the letters are very high quality from the same material as the number, heat pressed very well, and they won't really fall off even after lots of washes. This would be about this jersey. I hope you liked it, and now the final part, let's measure it. I'll measure its width, which is 42 centimeters, and the height of the jersey, it's 68 centimeters. From shoulder to bottom, it's, let's see, 64 centimeters. Sizes, player version, long sleeve jersey. This would be all. If you use my invitation link from the description, you can save $5 on your first order, which is really cool because you can add to that those coupon codes. The two things are not the same, and you will end up saving $11 US. And once you receive the jersey, you can start making video reviews like this one, and from then you can buy cheap jerseys because you make the review, get the coupon for it, the cash coupon, you even use some other codes, and you will save like $20–25 US on every jersey, which is really cool. So don't forget, start by making an account and you will end up with lots of beautiful jerseys, so don't miss on them. Thank you. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Goodbye.